can't help not be a little emotional today because, first of all, all of this happened, what, the last 48 hours, I think, more or less. And I feel even more emotional because I wasn't really able to say my proper goodbyes to the department that even in just a short 6-month stint, talagang napamahal na sa akin. Personally, I've been in and out of government for so long. Trabahan tingnan naman kami ni Secretary Lopez. We started in government, mga empleyado kami. I started in the Senate in the 90s. I was a young economic staffer. I was, ano bang word? Utusan, yun. Utusan kami. Secretary ba kami? Pareho kami ng pinanggagalingan. And when you get to a point where you are able to take the helm of a agency as important as DOTR, and you see the hardworking men and women of an agency, which are by far good and honest, hardworking. Kahit na 6 months lang, mapapamahal ka sa agency. Lalo na pag nakikita mo na yung mga kahit magigit na ginagawa, transformative. Kahit magigit. Pila sa MRT, pila sa immigration, pila sa airport, mga nasisirang mga timer sa busway, mga sirang mga escalator, elevator na napapaayos. I mean, doon mo makikita na the government agencies that have had a bad rap for the longest time. DOTR included, LTO, LTFRB. You realize that even in a short span of time, change is possible. And I will obviously take that with me, although to a greater level and greater degree of difficulty in DPWH. But it's the same principle. It's possible. And if we follow the President's directives clearly and we wholeheartedly embrace what the President has asked us to do, which is to clean up, to slowly build back the trust in government, one agency at a time, then, we can do great things. And I guess that is what is giving me all this emotion, because I've seen it in DOTR. For the longest time, DOTR was not a trusted agency. LTO, it still not is. Don't get me wrong. Marami pa rin problema. Pero nakikita mo, unti-unti, meron ka nakikita ng pagbabago doon. And that's why I'm very proud. And I'm very, very happy that the President has appointed our former senior undersecretary, now acting secretary, Giovanni Lopez,